components of number 10, or how to make a 10. Here we have some circles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So these circles are 10 circles. Now let's learn what is the components of number 10, or how to make a 10. First, if you break this 10, then you take just one circle. How many circles remain with you? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 1 circle plus 9 circles equal 10. Let's see another example. If you break this 10 again, and this time you take 2 circles, let's count the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you learn that 2 circles plus 8 circles will give you 10. Another example, break the 10 again, and this time you will take 3 circles. Let's count how many circles rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 circles plus 7 circles, it will give you 10, or equal 10. Another example. This time you will take 4 circles. Let's count the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 circles plus 6 circles equal 10. Another example, and the last one. If you take 5, the rest of the circles will be also 5. So 5 plus 5 equal 10. Okay, so the components of number 10 are 1 plus 9 equals 10, 2 plus 8 equals 10, 3 plus 7 equals 10, 4 plus 6 equals 10, and 5 plus 5 equals 10. This is the number is how you can make a 10. Also, if you add 10 plus 0, it will give you 10. This was our lesson. Thank you.